Okay, so hi guys, it's Amanda here, Creative Gardener. So I'm here again with it's called the Crinum Asiaticum, also the Crinum giant lily. And you normally find this particular, well, I say normally, the first time I saw this, it was at the beach. I have done another video, I think, of this particular plant, but the thing that is only just started to happen this year, which is fantastical, if that's a word I can use, is that it started to um, create bulbs, but also have some little plantlets at the bottom. And I've just I picked off two before, but look at these, look at the roots on them. Now, as you can see where I've cut it, that was where it was attached to the base there, but it grows roots, and maybe like the way that they were at the beach, they're in a long line. Maybe it's that they've grown like that, but I'm going to put these in a pot to begin with, and then I will find a place at the front of the garden to put them, because they're very big and very showy, as you can see, and they need a lot of space. So I've got two spots, several spots. I love to have several spots, but look, so this is where all the flowers were. It's actually a poisonous plant, so supposedly if ingested, it's poisonous if ingested, and the sap may cause skin irritation. That's what I've read. So let me just put on my glove here. But look, so these were all where the flowers were, but look at all of these are bulbs. So if you plant those, you'll actually get another plant. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 on here, which before what would happen is the flowers would form and then you'd get nothing. But as you can see, there's several where they've swollen. There's several there at the bottom that are waiting to grow. So I'm leaving that one, but the other one, which is near ready for me to take the bulbs off, is this one. Look, I've got 4 here. I think the ants are maybe trying to get some action in there, but 4 of them, look at that. And I've grown, the ones that I do have are ones that I've grown from bulb. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th one, it just started to grow. I didn't actually plant it. It just started to grow in the garden. So that noise you just heard was a parakeet. They often fly across the garden. Anyway, so there's 4 there, and there's at least 4 on that one, and then there's 2 here. As you can see, let me step back. It is quite a big plant. And let me show you the ones. I took 2 small ones that were like this, and I put them in the ground. So we'll have a look and see how they're doing at the moment. This is another one that I grew from bulb, and I put it in a pot. It started growing and I moved it here because I wasn't going to put anything along this space, but then I thought, okay, you might as well, you know, I've got this here, and then I've got a pomegranate tree growing here. That one, from seeds, they just scattered themselves. So the other 2 that I started to grow was here. Oh, I wondered why there were so many wasps in the garden. They're coming out from they're in my well. Anyway, okay. So we're gonna have to sort those out. But here they are. They are growing. That was the one that the little one there hardly had any roots, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. but that's the other one that had roots, and I've been growing. I need to water them in. Back to these. So yeah, I'm so pleased that they're now starting to grow in bulbs, and I can get some more plants from this, because I had wanted to move this when it first started to grow big, but it had actually taken root really well, so I thought, let me just leave it there. And then I wanted to put one here, but then it was just like, oh, but your path is going to be obstructed anyway. So I wanted to share that with you. I'm just so pleased that now, I didn't realize they not propagated, but they, you know, set off little plantlets and the bulbs. I've never seen the little plantlets, but yeah, so thought I'd share that with you. If you've got one, this one produces white flowers. Let me know what one you have and how or where you've been growing it in your space. Take care for now.